Hey guys, happy Tuesday. For some of y'all been waiting for this peanut butter cheesecake, and let me tell you, oh my goodness, this is by far the best cheesecake I have ever made and tasted. Oh my goodness. So of course you gotta make my peanut butter ganache. That's on the back of that Chalk Zero bag. If you guys have not gotten those peanut butter chips, what are y'all sitting on? They are fire. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you're gonna make that peanut butter ganache. You're gonna fold it in with the cream cheese sweetener and some vanilla, and then you're gonna add some actual peanut butter creamy, swirl it in there so you get a little bit of that real peanut butter in it. I made this double chocolate cookie crust using Keto & Co.'s new double chocolate cookie mix. Okay, and then once it's set, I layered on top some milk chocolate from Chalk Zero, homemade caramel that I kind of marbled together. Then I tossed some walnuts and then some chopped peanut butter cups from Chalk Zero, and let me tell you, you need to make this right now. Oh my goodness.